We are going to talk about 5 emergency items every driver must keep in their vehicle. Let's get right into it. No one. A reflective triangle or a set of flares. These are commonly used by motorists to alert other drivers that they are either stopped alongside the road or that they have broken down and are waiting for assistance. This is an item that you hopefully never need to use, but if you do, it could be the difference between a minor accident or even being hit by another car while you outside of your vehicle, possibly saving your life. They're cheap, they're easy to store, and they do have a long shelf life. Most sets come with 3, so you can put one in your glove box, you can put one in your trunk, and then you can keep the extra one in your actual car in case of an emergency. No. 2. Work gloves. In the event of an accident, especially if you have to get out of your vehicle and you don't have any gloves, it's going to be very difficult for you to get back into that vehicle should you need to move it. You might also need to protect your hands while you're waiting for roadside assistance. If you're outside of your car, it's always good to have some sort of protection on your hands, just in case you need to change a tire or do any other manual labor. Again, not something you'll probably use all the time, but in the event of an emergency, it could definitely come in handy. Number 3. Jumper cables. Dead battery is one of those situations that can happen to anybody at any time. It doesn't matter how old your vehicle is or how well you take care of it. Sometimes these things just happen. Having a set of jumper cables in your car is not only going to allow you to jumpstart your own vehicle if you have a dead battery, but you can also use these cables to help somebody else who might be stranded on the side of the road. The Good Samaritan will need to have jumper cables as well, of course, and some way to jumpstart their vehicle. But this is one of those things that's not only very useful, but it's also very, very easy to store in your vehicle. There's really no reason not to have a set of jumper cables in your car. No, for a flashlight. This one seems like a no-brainer. You probably already know this one. But think about all the situations where having a flashlight would actually be useful. Not only in the event of an accident, but if you break down, if you're stranded on the side of the road, if you're looking for something in your vehicle at night, if you need to change a tire at night, if you're walking around your vehicle at night checking to see if you have a flat tire, having a flashlight is not only useful for you, but it could also help alert other drivers that you are stranded on the side of the road or that you need some sort of assistance. And this is one of those items that I would recommend you keep in your glove box or maybe even in your center console, something that's easily accessible, especially if you frequently have to get out and check on the status of your vehicle. Number 5. Multi-tool. There are many different multi-tools to choose from, but the main thing you want to look for is something with a seatbelt cutter and a glass breaker. These 2 tools alone could potentially save your life. If you find yourself in an accident and you can't get out of your seatbelt, you're trapped inside of your vehicle, having a seatbelt cutter is going to allow you to cut that seatbelt and get out of your vehicle. Same thing with a glass breaker. If you can't get out of your vehicle, you need to get out quickly and alert emergency personnel that you are there. Having a multi-tool with a glass breaker is going to allow you to do that. Of course, multi-tools have many other uses, and having one of these in your vehicle is not only going to help you in an emergency situation, but it's going to help you with a lot of other little odd jobs that might come up while you on the road, or even when you get to your destination. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. Let us know which one of these you're going to keep in your vehicle. We'd love to know. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, we actually have a ton of videos that we think you'll enjoy. So make sure to click that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys back here next time. Have a great day.